Today we're here to practice snorkeling skills and underwater fish identification using the resources here at the South Farm. So we need to be able to study fish sometimes without collecting them. Working with an endangered species, we can now go into the water without touching them or interfering with their behavior. We can actually count the fish and do the surveys underwater, called non-invasive sampling.
It wasn't until I took this class before I realized that I really wanted to focus on fishery science. Mississippi State was really important for me to come down here, especially when I noticed that all the classes were taking me out to field trips. They were providing me with opportunities like this during lab, and that was just something I couldn't find anywhere else.
In the College of Forest Resources, one of the things that we value so much in all our classes is really giving students life skills. Beyond even just our college, this is a Mississippi State, this is a Division of Ag, Forestry, Vet Medicine. These are key questions where we integrate all these different parts together and we create students that are ready for the real world, whatever challenge comes, because you can't plan for the future, but you can prepare yourself as best as you can for what may come. And we try and do that with our students.